Hey, what's up? Good morning. So today we're gonna talk about the YNL Mentoring Worldwide Program that's gonna happen on the 27th to the 30th of April. First, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the program. Then I'm gonna talk a little bit who is this program good for. Maybe it's a good fit for you, maybe not. And then we're gonna talk a little bit about the benefits, what you're gonna get if you take the program, and maybe we finish with some final points. It's gonna take like 4 or 5 minutes of your time. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Now, what is the YNL Mentoring Worldwide Program? First and foremost, it's 4 days of mentoring, and you're gonna stay in my place in Israel, Kiryat Ata. First day is gonna be small jam, introduction jam in the evening. Then the second day and the third day is gonna be 2 days of hardcore intense mentoring, so 15 plus hours of workshop, plus coaching tasks, and plus a little bit of mentoring one-on-one. We specifically do it in a small group, so we're gonna have a lot of private time to really do deep transformational coaching. And in the fourth day, which is the last day, we're gonna go to nature, have a little trip, enjoy our times, and basically summarize the whole experience. Now, who is it good for? Is it for you? So it's perfect for, first and foremost, all type of dancers. I'm not doing it only for breakers. I do it also for hip hop dancers, or I don't know, jazz, experimental dancers. For each artist who is connected to movement, it's for you. The best is for people who practice between 5 to 10 years, like experienced dancers who want to get to the pro level. But it's also good for beginners, but not too much of a beginner. You still need to have some foundation in your dance. And also it's perfect for teachers. If you are a teacher, if you have classes and you want to get tons of tools that you can then transfer to your students, it's perfect for you. It's perfect for those who want to get deeper into spiritual work, mental work, have this winner mentality, get locked in them. Those who want to learn tons and tons of different techniques and to get like the whole experience of my 17 years of doing this. Those who want to experience some powerful transformation, because we will really dive deep into dancing, into movement, into flow. Those who want to increase their connection to the flow state and also have a better flow in their dance. And those who want to get a lot of technical tools. We're gonna go on all levels. We're gonna work a lot on power moves, on round structure. Those who want to become battle cats, become a lot stronger in battles, on how to express yourself fully. So basically, those who really want to bring their artistic level, battle level, and just their life to the next level. Now, what are the benefits that you're gonna get? First and foremost, freestyle. We're gonna really dive into freestyle, how to be authentic in your dance and how to be very free, but still know how to use your sets. So a lot on structure and a lot on what you're gonna do and how you're gonna do it. It's really gonna help those of you who feel a little bit stuck, specifically in the mind, who have a lot of limiting beliefs or different stories that you need to unstuck. For those of you who feel like something is missing in their dance, some knowledge or some experience, is gonna give you a lot of benefit in that. And in general, it will just bring your dancing to another level, because we will tackle it and we will see it from so many sides, from the technical, physical side, from the movement side, from the self-expression side, from the getting to flow side. Like, we're really gonna dive really deep into that. And it's gonna give you a lot of transformation if you will come with the right mindset and with the right intention. So I will tell you the truth, it's gonna be a really small program. Max, I wanted to do it for 6 people, but I'm probably gonna do it for 8. I don't have so much place in my home. I have 2 rooms where you're gonna stay. Already we have a guy coming from the UK and some people who are almost signed in from Israel, so we don't have much places left. But if you feel like it can benefit you, if you are interested in investing in yourself, if you want to know more, hit me up, write me a message, and I will send you all the information, pricing, and what we're gonna work on specifically in every session. If you come from outside the country, how you get to my place, maybe help you a little bit with finding tickets and stuff like this. Let me know what you need, let me know what's up, and see you on the 27th to the 30th of April in my place, YNL Mentoring Worldwide. Peace.